name is Breanna. Welcome back to the Henna Guys Frequently Asked Questions, and today we're going to be covering the topic of, is henna hard to use? Henna isn't hard to use, but it does have some learning curves if you have never dyed your hair at home. If you've dyed your hair at home, we'll talk about what the differences are between dyeing with henna and some other at-home dye kits that you may have used. So if you have dyed your hair at home, the biggest difference between henna and a traditional box dye is that henna is more fibrous. It has a different texture. Some may describe it as gritty because it is a plant. We do recommend having a friend help you dye your hair with henna, especially to get the back, which can be a little bit tough. And we definitely recommend to use a dye application brush, which makes the process so much easier. You can section out your hair with it and dye it very similar to how they do it in a salon, but yourself at home. The rinsing out part is probably the biggest difference with henna versus a traditional box dye, and that's because of that fibrous texture. We recommend rinsing it in a bathtub, doing a mermaid rinse where you basically fill the tub up with water, put your head in it, and swirl your head around to get the henna dislodged from your scalp because it is so fibrous. Rinsing with conditioner can also help this process go smoothly too by enhancing that smooth texture of your hair with the conditioner. You will become a pro in no time. Check out our other videos on tips for dyeing your hair with henna. The benefits are totally worth it. That's it for this frequently asked questions. Stay tuned for more from the Henna Guys.